What's your name?
Allison John Cox.
Where are you from, Allison?
I'm from Ottawa, Canada.
What brings you to Seoul?
7 years ago, I decided I'd come here to teach English.
Wow, you've been here for 7 years?
7 full years, yeah.
Wow, and how has your teaching experience been?
Excellent, excellent. I've been with the same academy for 5 years now.
Wow.
And I love the experience, and I love teaching the children because they're innocent and eager to learn. So you don't have to worry about discipline, you can really focus on teaching.
I hear you're married to a Nigerian, is that true?
I am married to a wonderful Nigerian man. We got married this past February.
Congratulations, congratulations. So what interesting places have you been to in Seoul?
Oh, I've been to Gyeongbokgung Palace and in Itaewon, of course, and Insadong to see the traditional tea houses, and all of the palaces, some of the parks, Olympic Park, and the Hyatt Park, Namsan Park.
Wow. So how long would you like to stay so further? You're going to spend some more time, or you're going back to Canada?
2 more years. 2 more years we'll go back to Canada.
So what about food? What's your most delicious food you've ever eaten in Seoul?
Korean food?
Yeah, Korean food.
Kimchi jjigae, samgyeopsal, kalbi.
What about restaurants and joints, restaurants and drinking places?
We usually go to a lot of restaurants around here. We go to Loca Loca often for lunch.
Okay.
We go to Chef Nelly down the road here, Austrian restaurant.
Wow.
We go to Buddha's Belly for Thai food.
Wow.
Our place, which is mixed like fusion, Thai and Western and Korean.
Wow.
I do a lot of restauranting around here.
Wow. So what would you say to foreigners that are foreigners all over the world about Seoul? Would you say come to Seoul or don't come to Seoul?
I would say definitely come to Seoul and check it out.
Yeah.
Come here if you want to. Come here if you have the passion to teach, if that's what you want to do, or just come here to visit and see a really dynamic city.
Okay. Thank you very much, Allison. We'll still do another interview some other time when I catch you again. Okay. So you take good care of yourself. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you.